welcome back. Dr. Matt Fontaine here with First Tee Washington, here with Joey helping us out today. We're talking about upper back and neck stability today. And with that, we're going to do a really good exercise for core stability. So kind of tying in the core with working on the upper back area and our neck position. One of the common things we see is poor head positioning at address position, and also just the inability to keep the head straight throughout the golf swing. So we're going to talk about a simple exercise for that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the stability ball today, and we're going to have Joey come around and we're going to actually get in a plank position on the ball, just like we did before. I'm going to have you come around this way, okay? All right. So to set this up, we're basically getting in a plank position. I want her feet nice and wide, okay? And from here, you can see she's got her forearms on the ball, and we're basically squeezing the butt. So coaches, cue your athletes to squeeze the butt, and I want her to get strong through the shoulder girdle, which means to push herself away from the ball. You can see how that flattens the shoulder girdle out here, okay? From here, we're gonna go for time. Most athletes can start with 10 seconds, and we can progress up from there. All right, good, come on, Joey, come on off there. Okay, so one of the things that you can do progressing from that is we can have the athletes start to make small circles left and right. Basically, we want to progress this with time. Start with 10 seconds and build up to 30 seconds and beyond. Some of your more senior athletes who start getting a little bit older, they should be able to go for 45 seconds to a minute with this. Excellent, excellent exercise for the core. Next, we're moving on to the chin tuck. So I'm going to demo this, and Joey's going to help me. We want to set this up by getting into a good tabletop position. And the chin tuck, basically, we're going to jut our chin out, tuck it down until it touches our chest, and then drag up to this position. So Joey's going to come in, we're going to demonstrate this. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is to jut the chin down towards the floor. Okay, round up. So head up, the chin goes that way, out, scoop, big scoop. Okay, okay, come on back to here. Okay, watch me. Scoop down with the chin towards the floor, bring it all the way in. Now drag it up to that good top position, drag your head up. Here, keep the chin tucked in at the top. This is the position we're looking for. 5-second hold at the top, okay? When you release, I want you to let the chin go out like I showed you, okay? Bring the chin out and down, tuck the chin, and now drag it, and then we hold this top position here. Excellent. We're looking for 5 reps, 5 seconds each in this position. You can do these a couple times a day. Excellent for head position and good posture. Okay? Lastly, we're going to work on the shoulder. I'm going to be laying your back. Okay? So what we're going to use here, you can use the lacrosse ball. This is a yoga tune-up ball. You can get these on Amazon. This is a little bit cushier. It's going to grab the tissue a little bit better. What I'm going to have Joey do is grab this with her left hand. She's going to put it right into the shoulder girdle here, just off the shoulder blade. Okay, from here she's going to come down and get that wedged in between her shoulder blade and the floor. Okay, and then we're going to use an arm movement, starting with the arm straight up, and I'm going to have her bring the arm all the way back to the floor. And then she can alternate between coming across to the opposite hip and then back. Key thing here is try to bring the arm right up next to the elbow. Okay? Elbow and biceps here right up next to the ear. And then back to this hip for me. And then back up. So we switch hips each time. Okay? Back here. And then back again. We're looking for about a minute worth of work. Awesome. Good. Don't forget to do both sides. Okay, left and right shoulders. A lot of your junior golfers carrying their own bags. Muscles up in here get really, really stiff and tight, and that's going to pull the shoulders into a forward position at address. On the next series, what we're going to be covering is upper back mobility, and that'll be the final series.